Hello everyone, I am Purnavalli, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we're going to see logics and proofs. So in that, you have to know what is proposition. A proposition is a declarative statement which is either true or false but not both. For example, New Delhi is the capital of India, so we can conclude it as a true statement. In second example, Chennai is in England, so we can conclude it as a false statement. For example, x plus 5 equal to 3. If I'm giving x value is 2 minus 2 means you'll get answer 3. So it is true. Remaining for all x, the statement will be false. So we can call it as a neither true nor false. So we can call that it as a non-proposition. That is questions, exclamations, commands or non-propositions. So, what are the types of proposition? One is simple proposition, another one is compound proposition. Simple proposition is a declarative sentence which cannot be further split up into simple sentence are called atomic or simple statements. For example, Nandini is a lawyer. So, this is a simple statement. We cannot split it as a simple statements furthermore. So, next one is compound proposition, that is a statement which contains one or more primary statements and some connectives. So we can call that as a compound proposition or molecular statements. For example, lotus is a flower and it is the national flower of India. So, first statement, that is lotus is a flower, is the first statement, and second statement, that is atomic statement, and second statement is it is national flower of India. So, there are two primary statement and one connector. Here and is the connectors. So what is connector? That is the operation which used to connect two or more statements. So there are five basic connectors. One is first one is not, that is negation. We can denote it as a negation symbol. So that is, so we can call it as a negation symbol. So that what kind of operator is this? So that is a unary operator. Why? Because we used only one declarative sentence. So next logical connector is and. So if my first statement is it is raining and second statement is I'm getting cold, so by using and conjunction, so that is we can call the and connector is as conjunction. So if I'm applying conjunction to this two proposition, so what is resulting statement is it is raining and I'm getting cold. So if I'm applying or as a logical connector, so we can call it as a disjunction. So my first statement is 3 plus 5 is 8 and second statement is 5 less than 3. So if I'm connecting this two statement with disjunction, so I can rewrite this as a 3 plus 5 equal to 8 or 5 less than 3. And fourth logical connector is if then. So it is called as conditional statement. So, for example, my first statement is there is a flood, and second statement is the crop will be destroyed. So, if I applying if then condition, that is conditional connected to this two proposition means it will become if there is a flood, then the crop will be destroyed. So, next logical connector is if and only if, that is biconditional connected. So, if my first statement will be students will come to college, and second statement is Friday is a working day. If I'm applying biconditional connective to this two statement, so my resulting statement will be students will come to college if and only if Friday is a working day. So next you have to know, next one is truth table. So if I'm taking two statements, that is P and Q. So what are all the possibilities? Here, possible truth values is 4 for the statement P and Q. That is true, true, false, false for a first statement. And for second statement, if first statement is true, there is two possibilities for second statement. One is false, another one can be true. So if I take my first statement is false, there is two possibilities for Q statement. That is, first one is true or it can be false. So it can be true or false. So if I'm applying negation for first statement, that is P, negation P. So what is negation first? So it applying not to a declarative sentence in an appropriate way.